Hello everyone, I am Anmol Luthra here to present my video presentation on topic e-commerce losers during COVID-19. Impact of coronavirus on e-commerce. Many marketers experts predict that e-commerce sales will only increase as COVID-19 infections soar, social distancing becomes standard practice and more people choose or and required to stay home. However, sellers aren't too optimistic. In fact, 36% of sellers predict their sales will actually decline due to supply chain issues, product shortage, shipping delays, and the potential for demand to drop as the economy fluctuates. Change in demand and revenues. Almost half of retailers expect some economic downturn due to pandemic. However, preliminary data from Quantum Metrics shows that e-commerce has recently experienced an average revenue weekly growth rate increase of 52% and an 88.8% in conversion rate compared to a year ago. This may reflect a sudden increase in demand as more consumers turn to online shopping. Decline in consumer confidence. 42% of retailers cite concern about consumer confidence. This is an economic indicator that measures that degree of optimism that consumers have about both their personal financial situation and the overall state of an economy. However, they disagree on how great of an impact there will be. Nearly 60% believe there will be some impact, 22% believe that impact will be significant, and 20% project a limited impact. Inventory shortage. If you been a grocery store lately, you will no doubt encountered empty shelves with more people buying up food and supplies and hoarding necessities. Numerous industries are dealing with inventory shortage. 44% of the sellers surveyed say they expect production delays and 40% expect inventory shortage throughout 2020. Supply chain issues. Many of the challenges online retailers currently face are supply chain related, and online marketplaces are responding in various ways. For example, retail giant Amazon has experienced a massive strain on its supply chain, resulting in shipment delays, technical glitches, and labor shortage. Now, it's stopping shipments of non-essential products to various. It's accepting only household staples, medical supplies, and other high-demand products until April 5. Many e-commerce sellers have engaged in piece gouging and false marketing, prompting marketplaces like Amazon and eBay to remove millions of items and even suspend or ban some sellers. Now, a case impact of COVID-19 on Amazon. Sellers on the Amazon.com marketplaces, like all retailers and business owners, are figuring out how to mitigate the impact of a coronavirus called COVID-19. Given how quickly restrictions on businesses from local government and marketplaces platform are changing, some sellers have had to switch strategy daily. Amazon suspends shipment of non-essential products. Now, right as some sellers were planning to learn more on Amazon, however, the e-commerce giant announced late Monday that it will be temporarily suspend shipments of non-essential products to be fulfillment by Amazon warehouses from its third-party marketplaces merchants in US and EU. Shipments to Amazon fulfillment centers suspended until April. Shipments to Amazon's fulfillment centers are currently suspended through April 5. For now, Amazon number one, the digital commerce 360 top 1000, will only accept new inventory of products that fall into household staples, medical supplies, and other high demand categories like baby products, health, personal care, grocery, and pet supplies. According to Amazon, the decision was made in order to fulfill high demand products and reduce delivery items. It will lose quite a bit of money, obviously, but will still remain profitable through this. Amazon sellers may lose money of Amazon shipments start getting delayed, consumer spending slows down, and if Amazon start prioritizing the sale of its own product line above its marketplaces sellers. Additionally, it will be doing lots of shipment from our warehouse until further notice, so anything that might run out of Amazon Prime or merchant can fulfill on its own. Thank you.